Finger Family.
Welcome to the Finger Family. I am the Mummy Finger. Buttercream icing is easy to make and adds flavor to the vanilla and chocolate cakes. In a mixer, add 250 grams of unsalted butter in small pieces at room temperature. Beat them well. Add 250 grams of powdered sugar, little by little, and keep beating the mixture as you add. Finally, add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence and beat at high speed for a few minutes. The yellow color of the butter turns cream and the texture of the butter becomes soft. Delicious buttercream icing is ready.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel by hitting the subscribe button below.